What's up, Giant family? We've got a lot to do today, so let's get started. We got to go put in some work at the Gains You Make factory or the gym, and then we'll get started on the Iron Giant, putting in some work there too. First, I want to tell you that you just got to get up and start putting in that work, so that way by the end of the day, you feel accomplished.
You got a problem with the what?
Yep, gotta do the daily scroll on Instagram just to check up on what's going on. If y'all haven't already seen our Instagram page for the Iron Giant, go check it out. There's a lot of content on there. Iron_Giant with 2 T's at the end. Don't forget the extra T. DTM_6.7 posted another picture. DTM 6.7. He's actually a Skynet team leader for Ohio. But if y'all haven't had a chance to go check his Instagram page out, do it. This is my favorite. No, let's start that one over because it started in the middle of the video. We can't do that.
So I'm checking into my hotel, right? I get his message on Instagram from this kid. It says, "Hey, I seen your truck outside. I like it. Would you mind autographing my bandana?" So I said, "Sure. You know what? I'll even do you one better." What's up, Rennie? Go ahead, hit that button. There you go. Don't forget, how big your build is, how small it is, no matter what you're driving, there's always someone looking up to you. Or in this case, looking down at you.
Look at that. Freaking motivating right there. What we gotta do is get up, and it's time to go hit the gym. We gotta go hit those weights. That way we get these gains. You know, fix the hair. Well, is it? No, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. See what? I woke up like this.
Gotta test the teeth.
Cheers. How long are you supposed to do it? ABCs 2 times? Or is it like a minute? There's a plan. There we go. Whenever I make these pre-workout drinks, you know, sometimes it makes me feel like I work at Starbucks. Maybe I'm what do they call them? A barista? Barista. That sounds right. A barista. Kind of sounds like burrito, but it'll be fine. Time to load the truck up real quick. Ooh, look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. This species right here, it has some huge chompers. And these are very dangerous when you, if you get bit by them. So, this is the last one on the planet right here. So, almost extinct. So, but he's in a good habitat right here. Aren't you, Coda? Aren't you, Coda? Oh my God. Okay. Everybody knows Tay-Tay. Oh, she's wild. Look at all this extra skin he has just in case he loses some. He always has extra to use, you know? Oh, look at that. Look at that face. We have a lot planned for today's video. We're gonna have multiple parts to this video, but this first part is gonna be strictly focused on the wheels and the tires. So a lot of times people do forget that, or they'll wait till they get to the show and then do just a quick wipe down. But I actually have some awesome products to help y'all do it quick, easily, and it's gonna just break necks. I mean, let's show you a before picture. So you can literally see where there's a bunch of dirt and just buildup of just road grime in general. So it doesn't look bad. You can eat off of this. But I'm gonna show you the after. We're gonna go ahead, head over to the gym. It's the Iron Giant. Like I said, if y'all haven't seen our Instagram channel, go ahead and click that follow button. Hurry up, because you don't want to miss out. But that's literally it. Iron_Giant with 2 T's. I'm not sure if that's backwards or not for y'all. I don't really know, but we'll see. I'll also put it down in the description below, as well as all the cleaning products too. That way you and me can have some freaking clean tires and wheels. Just in case you don't have a plate or anything, you just put your food on your wheels and just eat right there. You know, it's clean. We finally made it to the Gaines factory. I'm all itchy and antsy.
Gotta get in there and get some gains.
We're about to get it. Look at that. Let's get in there. Let's grab some gains, and then we're gonna go work on the truck. Let's get it, boy. We gotta come in here. Oh my God, pre-workout's coming up. Get the jams going. So we're gonna hit upper bodies. We're gonna get some shoulders, some thighs, some tries, and a little bit of some forearm action going on today. Let's get it. Oh my God. We're gonna go ahead and head home and start working on the Giant. We'll see you there. Leaving the haters in the mirrors, looking at the mirrors at the haters. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Obviously, we need to get these tires. Obviously, we got to get these tires cleaned up. Look at that. Look at that. All these lines on it from the rain that comes through or drips down and all that. Look at that. That means we can't. The first thing you should do, especially when you're about to detail your truck or something like that, is take it to a nice clean area. I'm gonna take the shop broom and pretty much sweep all this away from the area that we're about to clean. So the next thing to do, once you have your area clean and clear of all the dirt, mud, dust, everything, then you got to start putting all your stuff together, getting all your materials laid out so that it's easier for you to just grab it because it's all right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything laid out. I'm gonna go over each and every product. All the links will be in the description below, and you'll be able to go straight to Amazon. Just click that link and add it to your cart and get your stuff. That way you you can go through with me step by step and make your wheels and tires look freaking awesome over there snapping necks. The hospital's gonna be full wherever you are. All right, guys, so look at this natural light right there. Oh, this is my good side. What we're gonna do is go step by step whenever we apply it, but right now I'm gonna go through all the products, okay? So the first thing is the towels over on the left in the Amazon box. I've got a bunch of Amazon boxes, but you can never have too many towels when you're cleaning your truck. Microfiber towels, those are great to have, and I just have a bunch of them. We use the 2-bucket technique, and I use the Chemical Guys buckets. They're pretty good sized buckets. They carry enough water, and they're color coded, so it makes it easier for you to know which one is the soap bucket. Then right here is, it's basically a little grate that you put in these buckets. Whenever you rinse this guy off, then all the dirt settles in these little holes, and basically the dirt can't come back up. It tries to keep the top water clean and clear. That way you don't get scratches on whatever you're cleaning. And this is also a Chemical Guys washcloth. See, Chemical Guys, look at that. Moving on, we also have Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash, and this right here has high foam. It's safe for wax and sealant, stuff like that, so it basically won't damage your truck or anything. If you have like I do a foam cannon, then this will have heavy foam. So as you can see, it says high foam right there at the bottom for you. Okay, but it also has a nice smell to it as well. And moving on, we've got the Armor All tire foam, the Extreme, and at the bottom I always use the Extreme Shine because the other shines, the medium and then the low shine, I feel like they just look like normal tires. Then we have Black Magic No Scrub All Wheel Cleaner right here, and this is what I'll use. Basically it removes all the road grime and brake dust and all that stuff with minimal scrubbing. Obviously the last step is our Max Coat Wheel Guard. And this is also from Chemical Guys, and this thing is amazing. It's like a green sort of paste, but it's wax and it protects your wheels. So this, once you put this on it, oh, the shine is amazing. Like I said, I'm gonna put all their links in the description. So now that we finally got the initial scrub down using the 2-bucket method here, it looks really good actually. It doesn't require too much work. You're not tired or anything while you're doing it. So just what I do is just throw on some music. Got the Beats pill right there. Just throw on some music and just grab a chair. Come hang out. The second step, we're gonna go ahead and apply this Black Magic, and yeah, it's pretty easy. So we're pretty much just gonna let it sit. And it's gonna do its thing, basically take all the road grime, all that stuff off without any hard labor from you. So you're literally just spraying that on and you're just waiting, and all you gotta do is just take your normal water and just wipe it all, and it's gonna be good. It's an awesome product. Black Magic No Scrub All Wheel Cleaner. This is a must get. difference. We're gonna get these looking nice. I think I'm playing, but you're gonna get some food, put it on your wheel, and just start eating off of it. That's how clean it's gonna be. So we are pretty much done. Right now it looks rough only because we have put the max coat on. So once you apply it, it's gonna look all, I guess, cloudy, but after you're done, all you have to do is just wipe it, wax on, wax off. You get it? 'Cause it's like, it's waxed. But like they say here, reduces brake dust up to 75%. There's high shine. Take a look at it. It's a little cloudy right now, but once I wipe it off, I'm gonna do a final viewing of it, and y'all see exactly what I'm talking about. This thing is beast. That's when you apply it, and that's when it's done. Look how freaking shiny that is. Wheel coat from Chemical Guys. That's the best way to go. Y'all can see this thing's mirrored out over here. All we got left is the tire shine, and that's a wrap. And while that's setting, then we're gonna go ahead and give you a final look at all the products that we use, just in case you didn't see them at the beginning of the video. I use these products all the time. Comment down below if you got any of those items, and let me know how it works for you. If you want to be notified for future videos that are posted by us, the Giant family, then go ahead and hit that bell button and you'll be notified as soon as we drop a video. I've been using this method for a long time for shows or just doing a normal truck cleaning. It's gonna be the same way every single time. So thank y'all for watching, and until next time, Giant family.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me.